Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about illustrate seconds, tangents, segments, and sectors of a circle. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. Thanks, and now let's proceed to our main lesson for today, which is all about illustrate seconds, tangents, segments, and sectors of a circle. Sectors and segments of a circle. A sector is like a slice of a pizza. So sa pagsabing sector, para siyang slice ng pizza. It may be defined as part of a circle enclosed by two radii and an arc. So again, a sector is like a slice of a pizza. So if it is a parang ganito siya, this one is what we call the sector, yung naka-shaded part, okay? This one is also a sector. This also a sector, and this is also a whole area of a sector. So, figure 1, circle, one whole area of the circle, so it is a sector. Semicircle, one half of the area of the circle is a sector. Quartile circle, one quarter or one fourth of the area of the circle. And finally, a fractional part of any area of the circle is also a sector. So, basta yung highlight na yan, shaded part na yan, yan yung mga sector. Now, segment of a circle is a region bounded by an arc and a segment joining its endpoint. If you cut a slice of a pizza in the shape of a triangle, the portion cut off is like a crust pizza. So the segment is this. So the segment is this one, no, yung chord at saka yung arc. Okay? In figure 5, the shaded region is a segment of the circle U. And it's the region bounded by the arc GY and line segment or chord GY. Tangent and secants of a circle. If a line intersect a circle in exactly one point, then it is a tangent line. Okay? So, kapag daw yung line nag-intersect sa circle at yung line na yon at yung circle ay nag-intersect in an exactly one point, then ang tawag doon ay tangent line. The intersection point of a circle and a tangent line is called the point of tangency. So tangent line does not pass through the interior of a circle, of a given circle. So hindi siya nagpa-pass, no? Dito hindi siya ganyan. Tangent line, one point lang ang natatouch niya sa circle. So in figure 6, the tangent line is line AS. The line intersects the circle DN at Y. So ito. The line AS intersect at circle D at point Y. The point of tangency now of this given figure is point Y. That's the point of tangency. Now, when a line is tangent to two circles, it is considered as common tangent. There are two types of common tangents, namely common internal tangents and common external tangents. So we will talk about first the common internal tangent. A common internal tangent are tangent lines that intersect segments joining the centers of two circles. Okay, so for this one we have circle D and circle N, and circle D and circle N, okay, has a common point which is point Y, and there is a line that intersect, okay, between these two circles, and that is line AS. So in figure 7, line AS is the common internal tangent. So this is an example of common internal tangent of circle D and circle N. And for the common external tangents are tangent lines that do not intersect segments, joining the centers of the two circles. So this is a sample, no? So let's say, okay, let's say this is SR, line SR, and line AH. Okay. So these are common external tangents of circle E and circle C. So ito yung mga common nila. So again, magkaiba ang common external tangent sa common internal tangent. Okay? So maging familiar na lang kayo when it comes to common internal tangent. Usually, pag common internal, isang line lang yung isang tangent line lang yung makikita natin. Unlike here, dalawang tangent lines ang makikita natin sa dalawang circles. In a circle, if a line intersect at exactly two points, magkaiba ang chord sa second line, okay? Ang second line is linya talaga siya. Unlike in chord, ang chord kasi segment siya. Ibig sabihin may endpoints. Ang second line wala siyang endpoints. Okay? Kaya nga meron siyang dalawang arrow sa bandang dulo niya. Okay? Also, a second line contains a chord of a circle. So, chord din siya. Ang tawag sa niya ay chord BS. Okay? But still, line BS is different to chord BS. Remember that, okay? Ang chord BS ay may endpoints. Ang line BS ay walang endpoint. Pero meron siyang points na naka-attach sa circle at yun yung point B tsaka point S. Additional information, if a second line intersect a circle of 3 points, a circle of in 3 points, okay? Then it intersect the diameter kapag tatlong points ang naka-attach no sa line sa second line. Therefore, ang tinamaan nito ay yung diameter. Ibig sabihin kung ganito yung itsura niya ng ating line, let's say ganito siya, okay? Tapos may point pa dito, tinamaan yung diameter, that's why magiging tatlo yung points. In figure 9, line BS is a second line of circle U. The chord which contains the second line is BD. Okay? So, this is chord BD. Okay? Chord BD. This is also a segment BD. But on the other hand, this is, I'm sorry, BS. Where's BD comes from? I'm sorry. This is BS, not BD. Okay? BS. So, ayun. So, that's a second line. Now, segment of intersecting chords and tangent, and I think that second, no? Kulang yata, and second. Intersecting chords are two chords of the same circle that intersect a particular or sometimes at the center. So these two lines are chords, okay? That intersects. If two chords intersect at the center, this chord are diameters of a circle. Tama naman. Kapag yung dalawang chord no ay nasa center naman. Halimbawa, this is the center of the circle. Dito tumama yung dalawang chord. Okay, dito sila nag-intersect. Therefore, yung dalawang chord na yun ay diameters no ng ating circle. But in this point, wala tayo sa center, okay? So, in figure 10 shows that, okay, line AD, or I mean line segment AD, this is line segment AD and line segment BC, okay, are two intersecting chords. These chords intersect at point E, which divide them into segments. The segment of AD are AE and DE, while the segments of BC are BE and EB. Okay, or BE or EC, I'm sorry, or CE are the segments of BC. Okay? Now, for the tangent segment, a tangent segment is a line segment that touches a circle at one point in particular. And a second segment is a line segment whose one endpoint is on the circle while the other endpoints is outside the circle, known as the external secant segment. So let's see. Okay. In figure 11 shows, this is figure 11, that circle edge line GF and line IF are tangent segments. So, ang tawag sa kanila ay tangent segment that intersect at the exterior point F. Okay? So, these two lines, okay, are tangent lines that touch only one point. Oh, sorry. That touches only one point of the circle, no? So, tangent lines ang tawag sa mga yan. Ngayon, um, so tangent lines ang tawag sa mga yan, and then, ang kanilang point of intersection is at the exterior point F. Okay, so nasa point F yung kanilang intersection. In figure 12 naman, shows that the circle N with the line OK and line segment PK, okay, are secant segment that intersect at an exterior point K. Okay, second sila kasi these are lines that touches. Actually, there's something wrong with the figure. Since we are talking about tangents and secants, there should have ganito. May mga arrow dapat yan. Okay? Because they are not segment, they are line. They are lines. Okay. Malinaw na malinaw yung paliwanag kanina that a secant, okay, are lines. Na parang kung sa lobo parang meron kang stick tapos tinusok mo yung lobo ng stick, ganon. Okay? So this one, second segment siya that intersect on an exterior point K. So yung dalawang segments na intersect sila kay point K na the internal segment LO and MP are the chords of the circle, while yung LK at saka yung tawag dito, MK are external secant segments. External secant segments ang tawag sa kanila. In figure 13 shows that in circle T, SQ, this SQ is a tangent segment, tama? While UQ is a secant segment and RQ is the external secant segment of UQ. External secant segment ang tawag dito. Parang katulad siya ng MK at saka ng KL. External second segment of UQ or line UQ. These segments intersect at the exterior point. Actually, the segment, mali siya. The segment and the sa bagay, segments naman siya. The secant and the tangents intersect at point Q. Okay? Point Q siya nag-intersect. Yung yung tangent line at saka yung secant line. Okay? So that's all about illustration of secants, tangents, segments, and sectors of a circle written by Sir John Raymer S. Peña. So with that, thank you very much for your listening.